is that? Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Yeah, we the ones that's getting to
just
the
hold
bread.
on, you gotta keep pushing. Remember them days I was down, I ain't listen. Just lost trail, ain't high, won't miss him.
Hey man, Ravens about to get this dub today. It's my second time doing this because my phone was geeking. But yeah, Ravens about to get this dub today. Wrap up a great season. That'll be 14-3. We don't even really need this game, but we're just gonna get it out the way, get it done.
Maybe y'all need this game. 2019.
Steelers need this game.
Y'all sat y'all's whole
The
bench.
Steelers really need
Y'all
this
sat y'all's
game.
whole
That's the
bench.
crazy part. So we about to end their season.
Y'all sat y'all's whole bench.
We about to end their season.
And y'all
We about to end their
Tennessee,
season.
2019, Tennessee, bro.
Nah. The Ravens about to cook. And once we cook, y'all gonna see what's going to
First
happen.
round of playoff, Lamar's done. Same old
Hey, look. We about to go to the tailgate. We about to turn up. Y'all gonna see. Stay tuned. You know, Ravens game bright and early. Steelers fan with me. It's cool. It's a little rainy, so I don't know how much video we gonna get, but crazy ride up here. But we good. We about to set it up. We good. Sorry if it's raining, y'all. But we gotta get some camera footage. Do it. Nah, it's stuff.
I don't know what it is. I think we should run out of vaccine.
Yo, what? You don't got this game experience, man. You don't got that.
Been it down the bread. Beefing my step with 10, I'ma step red. And you only step on the gram in your pants.
Big Sosa, I got that gunner in Ghana. My bitch rockin' that Prada. I'm laughing to the bank like holla.
We gotta. Man, I got these miles in here. We gotta. Stop playing. We gotta. Y'all not gotta. Where y'all be at, buddy?
He was the third highest scorer.
Gotta. I got my man Tony Jefferson up there.
Going on. It's going to be a lot of movement from that black and yellow team.
You don't know TJ like that, man.
Been different places, and they were Ravens. They just didn't know it yet. He says that about road prospect.
No funny? No, do you got this at your stuff, bro?
What was it? This team, this family.
Y'all got nothing.
Calling my stomach and more like my stomach.
Boom, boom, pow, pow, thought we gon' stop. Not gonna stop till we get to the top. Call me Dwayne, cause you know how I rock. Gave me the keys, cause I got it in lock. Get out my bubble, you know I'm gon' pop. Touchdown that happened right here. They're gonna try to come over to the camera, man. I'm gonna take the ball and I'm gonna like do a dance or something. poncho. It's supposed to be fine. And she never did it again in Denver for me. So that's already straight one with the Raiders right now. But I'm gonna let it slide because she look a little goofy. So I ain't even gonna say that my fault. I'm gonna let it slide because, you know. But yeah, we got some ponchos. Got some ponchos. That's how the ponchos look, brother. Yeah, got the kids too. Malik out here with the receivers. Oh, this kickoff return. Okay. Yeah, lady. Hey, you moving him, bro? Huh? You moving him, bro? You moving, bro? Of course. That's all you got. The Doritos all over your face. Now we got Linda Bomb right here. Provo Center. We got the return specialist down there. Had them on already. Yeah, we just got dogs over there, man. Straight. Okay.
Crowd the line on 2nd and 12. Hundley back over the middle, and the catch is made. And Isaiah Likely dives to the end zone.
the first time you touched me. My camera. It's gonna be a touchdown that happened right here. They're gonna try to come over to the cameraman. I'm gonna take the ball and I'm like, he said he fumbled on purpose.
Walk in your trap, take over your trap. Walk in your trap and take over your trap.
Get in there! No! That boy Ian! That boy Ian! Come on now. 17-7. It's not looking good. Not looking good. We get free nuggets or something.
I'm not about to get free nuggets. My niggas on the pay for the nuggets. I'm on a buy one.
Shit to them, man. This, after this, we still got a lot of shit to be proud of. I just want to make 5 laps.
Come on, Snoop!
I mean, this road chance. Went for top.
Come on, man. Are we gonna kick the field goal?
They're trying to onside.
And then, come on, bro. How you ice Justin?
Knees. It's all in knees.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, what? That's Tuesday. That's the Steelers, man. Oh!
Winner, chicken dinner.
That's game. What is that? Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Yeah, we in, but I'm not a Steelers fan. He beat us twice. Oh, he's Steelers fan. That is funny.
The Baltimore Ravens would like to thank you for attending tonight's game presented by Planet Fitness. And you make it into Bank Stadium. Please behave. Staying forward by downloading the Ravens mobile app or visiting Baltimore.
I just want to say it was a great experience, all of that. And yeah, we got spanked, whatever. We ain't even need to play that game. I can't feel my toes. My God, it's great. Like, what? But you know, coming to play our strong Super Bowl, all that. Yeah. Can't move on. And then we lost. Ravens lost. Going to 13-4 on the season. Swept by the Steelers. Won the AFC North. To recap, basically, it was cold, it was wet. Pause. Drying up now. It was a good game, not gonna lie. Stayed to the end. Interesting to the end. Didn't have the starters and stuff on the Ravens. Didn't really need them for real. Still competitive. You know, TJ went down for the Steelers, but outside of TJ, that was all their starters for real. But look, make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel. Y'all keep tuning in. We're gonna have more vlogs on the way. Appreciate y'all. We just getting started. Go ahead and check the Miami vid out. It's gonna be linked to this at the end. Appreciate y'all and stay tuned.